Now we are going to see computer programming in C++ for 3rd BSc Physics students. Topic operators in C++. Already we have seen about tokens, keywords, identifiers and constants. Tokens means an individual, the smallest individual unit in a program. In a single line there are so many tokens are there. Keywords are predefined meaning in C++ language. User cannot give the name for a keyword. Identifier means it's a variable name or a class name given by the programmer. Constants means it's a fixed value. And we have seen about declaration of variables also. Before using one variable we have to declare it. Like that we have seen data types in C++. There are three main data types in C++. One is basic data type, user defined data type and derived data type. Today we are going to see operators in C++. An operator is a symbol which represents some operations that can be performed on data. Here there are arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators and also other operators like scope resolution operators, memory management operators, etc. The first one we are going to see arithmetic operators. Plus addition, minus means subtraction, asterisk means multiplication, slash means division, modulus, increment operator, addition assignment operator, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, assignment operators and decrement operators. These are all called as arithmetic operators. We can use arithmetic operators like this. For addition, to add two numbers or two numericals, we have to put the plus sign inside it. That plus sign means addition. So that is called as operator. Like that, minus, asterisk, slash signs are like that. The next one, bitwise operators. Here that symbol denotes bitwise unary not, and after that and symbol denotes bitwise and another one or, and then that bitwise exclusive or. Then shift right means we have to put exertion operators. Shift right zero fill means 3 exertion operators, and shift left bitwise and assignment, bitwise or assignment, and shift left assignment operators, right assignment operators are called as bitwise operators. The next one, relational operators. Relation means we have to relate any two things. So some two numbers or some two variables we can relate using the symbol equal to, not equal to, greater than symbol, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to symbols. These operators are called as relational operators. The next one, logical operators. There are three important logical operators. The logical operators are often used to combine relational expressions into more complicated Boolean expressions, and, or, and not. The operator symbols are given here. And symbol, or, and not symbol are given here. And means nothing but adding two a dot b, and means a dot b. A dot b means a into b. For example, the operators true or false means if a is true, b is true. True means usually we have to take it as 1, and false means we have to take it as 0. So 1 into 1 means 1, that is 2 into 2 means 2. Then true means 1 and false is 0, and means into, so 1 into 0 means 0, so false. Like that, false into true, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, so false. False into false means 0 into 0, which is equal to false 0. That is, true means 1, false means 0, a and b means a into b. Like that, here or operator, or means a plus b. The same concept. True means 1, false means 0. So 1 plus 1, 1. So true. 1 plus 0, 1. So true. Like that, false into true means 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1, that is true. False into false, 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. And modulus operator is nothing but that is not. Not means a, not true means false, false means true. That is, 1 bar means 0, 0 bar means 1, that is called as logical operators. There are 3 important logical operators here. The symbols we can combine with the relational expressions also, that logical and, or, and not can be combined with the relational operators less than, greater than symbols. Then assignment operators. Already we have seen operators, arithmetic operator, that arithmetic operators can be assigned to a particular value, that is called as assignment operators. Plus or equal to means m plus or equal to 10, that is m is equal to m plus 10, that is the meaning. Here we have taken m value as sum of 15 means then 15 plus 10 is equal to 25, like that. Minus or equal to, asterisk or equal to, slash or equal to, modulus or equal to, everything here we have considered m value is 15. So 15 minus 10 means 5. M asterisk 10, 15 into 10, 150. Like that, all the things that asterisk dot equal to, asterisk equal to means m is equal to that value into 10. That is the meaning of assignment operators, assigning values to the operators. Then there are so many other operators in C++. Here you are seeing shorthand assignment operator, conditional operators, scope resolution operator. It is one of the important operator in C++. Scope resolution operator and member dereferencing operator, memory release operators, line feed operator, that called as NDL, end line. Then memory allocation operator, so that we have to use new means it will allocate space in the memory. Then field width means set W of size, we can give the width size of the field or name or any characters. Insertion operator and extraction operator. So these are the operators in C++. So we have seen some operators in C++. The next class we can see the next topic. Thank you.